What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Today is a really good one. The ISF is finally back on the road. We finished wrapping it. It looks freaking good. It's right here behind you guys. I cannot wait to show you guys. But first, before we get started, this was a lot of work. I really would appreciate if you guys drop a like, leave a comment. This was so much work, but I really want to bring you guys some content. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you like some of the other videos I've put up and the ones to come. And I really hope you guys like how it looks. Let's go ahead and show you guys.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Guys, here she is, Nardo gray. Man, it looks freaking solid. It looks so good. I'm really proud of myself. If you guys have not seen my previous videos, I put so much work into this. From what it was to what it is now, it looks so good in just a 2 weeks time. I'm really happy with the outcome. The color is amazing. I should have done this color such a long time ago, but it's all right. We're here now. It looks really good with the black wheels and the red Brembos. They really stand out. I really like how that looks. And then we got the black mirrors here. Everything came out really solid. Everything looks really good. Man, it looks like a brand new car. I think this color really makes the car look a lot newer. This is a 2008, but it does not look that old, to be honest. It looks so good. The headlights look really good with this color as well. I don't think these headlights look good with every color. With this car, I think this color just looks really good. We're still going to be doing the fog light delete. That's why they're not in there right now. I'm going to be putting this same grill mesh here. I'm going to be putting it in here. So it's just going to give it a little bit more aggressive look. But for now, I just left them out. These wheels with these tires and those brakes, this car has bigger Brembos than my BMW M3 does. These are 3-pot, really big brakes. I'm surprised, to be honest, since the M3, they pretty much weigh the same, but this car just has much bigger brakes. Take a look at the rear. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. Let me know what you guys think about the new color. This was a lot of work. I'm so relieved to be done. It took me about 2 weeks from unwrapping it, doing all the sanding, prep work, and then actually wrapping it. Obviously, I work full time, so I've just been grinding away, trying to finish this so I can bring you guys a video. But man, I'm so happy with it. And then we got the polyurethane front lip. Again, I went with polyurethane because this is my daily and I don't want it to scrape. It's pretty low. I'm actually gonna be going a little bit lower. What do you guys think? Should I go a little bit lower? I could do about maybe a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch in the front, and then the rear can probably drop it a same thing, probably about a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. So it'll be a little bit lower and I won't have any trouble scraping. That's my main concern. So with this front lip, even if it does scrape, it's not carbon, so it's not a big deal. And this is a really good color. This is Avery rock gray, gloss rock gray. They had 2 Nardos. They had this one in a dark gray, but I went with the rock gray, which is a little lighter, but I'm really happy with it. It came out solid. So yeah, guys, let me know down below what you guys think. I would really appreciate it. This was a lot of work, but I'm glad I was able to film it for you guys. Right after this video, I'm gonna have a time-lapse video of wrapping the whole car. It'll probably be like a 5-minute video, so I time-lapse the whole thing so you guys can just see that process. I am probably gonna be switching out the tips. I kind of think they stick out too far now. I used to have a diffuser, so they didn't look as bad. I think they stick out a little bit too far, so I might be putting back the OEM tips, the quad tips that the car comes with, along with the mufflers, because right now it is pretty loud. All right, guys, that is gonna be all for today's video. I really appreciate you guys checking it out. If you guys like what you saw, please let me know in the comments. Leave me a like. This took a lot of work, so I would really appreciate it. It helped me out a lot. Trying to grow the channel, trying to put out as many videos as I can. But for now, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.